Let's meet Kailey, a driven UMass Dartmouth student whose passion for cancer research began after her brother's diagnosis. She's going to share how UMass D as a public research institution fosters innovation through hands-on opportunities. Her story will highlight the impact of UMass Dartmouth's cutting-edge research programs. Take it away, Kailey.
Thanks, Alex. Hey y'all, when my little brother was diagnosed with stage 4 neuroblastoma cancer, I knew I wanted to make a difference in the lives of children fighting cancer. One day, I plan on conducting cancer research in order to find new effective methods of treatment to give children a chance at a normal life. UMass Dartmouth allowed me to begin in my research journey as early as my first year. I'm currently part of Dr. Vazidov's lab, researching cancer exosomes as an early detection mechanism for patients who suffer from ovarian cancer. None of this would have been possible without me receiving the Founders Scholarship. As a Founders Scholar, I am receiving a full ride covering tuition, housing, dining, and mandatory fees. The scholarship allows me to focus on my academics instead of worrying about how to afford a degree. UMass Dartmouth is a national research university with a strong focus on high-impact research activity. The campus features state-of-the-art labs and innovative research spaces, providing incredible opportunities for students from their first year all the way through to PhD programs. Here you can collaborate with experienced faculty, professionals, and fellow students, gaining valuable hands-on experience before entering the workforce. Whether you're interested in science, engineering, or social research, the university prepares you for your future. My time here has been nothing short of amazing. When I imagined my years at UMass Dartmouth, I never imagined being a researcher, leader, and example for others in my first year. The university shapes students into people ready to enter the world with confidence, teaching you everything you need to know along the way. That's my story. Back to you, Alex.
Your dedication is inspiring, Kailey, and your story shows the value of hands-on opportunity at a public research institution. Thank you for showing us how UMass Dartmouth's focus on research and innovation empowers students to make a real-world impact. We're excited to see where your path leads you next. Thanks again.